Hey beautiful soul, Alice here. As you can tell, it's a rainy day. I thought it was going to be super sunny because it was a sunny day yesterday, and I thought I could visit the weekend flower market today, but voila, it rained and silly. However, I decided to go to the flower market regardless because I'm not going to let a little bit of rain on my perfect day. It all starts with me. So let's go. So I just arrived at the MRT Diamond Park Station. Now I gotta find out where the flower market is. Okay, so I found out how to get to the flower market. You just come out of exit number 6, take a left turn, and keep on walking till you see the bridge. The weekend flower market is just under the bridge. I'm waiting to cross the intersection. Alright guys, so I've arrived at the weekend flower market. There's so many people here and this place feels so alive. I love the vibration here, and one of my main goals of the day is I want to find some air plants. So let's see what I can find here. Oh, I love cactuses. Maybe I should buy some more succulents, and these are so cute. Don't see any air plants. Thinking maybe I should buy some rocks for my succulents. Not sure which one I should pick. Hey, I kind of like this. What do you guys think? It's kind of pretty. Air plants, where are you? Oh, let's go check out some pots. What is that? Baby Groot. What is this? Cute. I found one air plant over here inside the skull. Almost overlooked it. Nice owner of that store just told me where I could find a lot of air plants. I'm so happy right now. Let's see where that shop is at. Found it. This one. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. They're so whimsical to me. I'm totally getting one of these. I got my air plants. I'm not sure how many I bought. I'll calculate them after I get home. Alright, just got home. Let's count how many air plants I have. I got one. Cute. And two. Come out. Come out. Don't be shy. I want to see you. Oh, this one's called Foxtail. It looks like a fox's tail. Super cute. And 3. The owner of this shop wrapped each of them in paper, and I can tell that he really cares for these air plants. Oh, here's another petite one. And 4, this one's super furry. It reminds me of a pom-pom. Cheerleader days of yesteryear. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has a lot of tape on it. Alright, come out. Come out. Okay. This is the 5th one. I love how whimsical this looks. And 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, time to be creative. I got some white rocks here. Pour them in a vase. Put this in the side. Pour some in this little bowl. This goes here. Adjust the angle. That goes there. Some more stones. Okay. Oh, I got this from my old cactus collection. Let me adjust it a little. Switch it up. Nope. No. Okay, much better. And adjust the angle. More stones, more rocks. All of it. Yeah, much better. Alright, I like the way this looks. Ta-da! I finished arranging my air plants. Let's take a closer look. Cute. This one's so furry. I just want to pet it. I love how this turned out. Love it, love it. So these are my new roommates, my air plants. I am going to name each and every one of them. I'll be so proud. I am such a proud air plant mommy right now. Do you have air plants? Or do you have succulents or other types of plants? Do you talk to your plants? Do you name your plants? Or are you more of a pet person? Do you have a dog or a cat? Comment down below what type of pet you have, the name of your pet or pets, and what do you love about your pets? Let's show our pets some love. I am so glad I went to the flower market today because sometimes you just have to take that time off, focus on self-love, go on a date with yourself, and yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button down below, and if you were to take yourself on a date, where would you want to go? Where would you take yourself? And do you have any suggestions? on where I should go on my next date with my subconscious. Comment down below. I might just go there. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!